You search for how to buy shares of Tuniu Corp, so in this clip I will show the basic steps. Tuniu Corp is an online travel services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TOR. This video is educational only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and then add funds to your account before placing orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TOR to find the listing. Check the search results carefully to locate the correct Tuniu Corp stock on NASDAQ before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the stock. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and the ticker TOR to ensure this is the correct listing. To invest, press the buy or trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when trading reopens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the order is placed. After the trade executes, you will see the position appear in your portfolio. For the example link and more information, check the description below.